there are a number of things which are essential for their environment to prosper that must be fed into the system. Regulatory bodies is one, constitutional bodies is another. I mean, the Election Commission of Pakistan is a constitutional body. We have to, as courts of law, support the Election Commission of Pakistan. There is another body, constitutional body, whose services are underused, and he has jurisdiction all over the country. He can go into the province, he can go into the federation. Accounts of the federation, I'm talking about the Auditor General of Pakistan. We have to make him strong so that he can go and check the accounts on his own. Because whenever you have an issue about accountability, it goes into the accounts. You find out 3 years later that so much money was taken away.